Hello, it's Auret here. Welcome to another video on the essetinoartists channel where we help you simplify your marketing so you can amplify your results. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code that you can put onto your business card, much like the one that you see here in front of you. So this is actually the back side of a business card that I had designed for one of our clients, and they wanted a QR code that when you scan it, it's going to save their contact information into the person's phone. So like I said, this is the back side. This is actually the front. So you can do the same if you're ordering some double-sided business cards. So I'm going to show you how to get this QR code, and make sure you stay to the end of this video if you want me to make this for you. So the first thing you need to do is go to this website over here, which I will have the link down in the description for you. And you can see here, you can create QR codes for multiple functions. The thing you need to do is decide what kind of QR code do you want to create. Do you want someone to scan it and go to a website? Do you want them to receive a text? Do you want it to prompt a call or an email? This is the one that I had used for my client's business card that I showed you in the beginning of the video. What we did was put in his information in here so that when someone scans it, it's going to prompt them to add him as a contact in their phone. So you can do that, which is called a V card. So you just need to come in here and decide what kind of QR code you want to create. I'm assuming for the most part, a lot of people want to scan it and take the person to a website. So let's just create a sample one here. I'm going to say that when someone scans this QR code, I want them to go to our website, so essetinoartists.com. And you can leave this on as static. And you'll see here some of the features are extra or paid. You have to sign up. But I was able to create that QR code just with the free account here, or it's not even an account. You just literally can go onto this website and not create an account. The one thing that we were able to customize was the color. So when you click on color, and if you want to have the QR code match a color of, maybe it's your brand. So for us, we have this dark plum purple everywhere, so let's just say it's that. You can already see that it's creating the QR code for you over here. These features over here where you can customize the frame or the eyes, which are, on the sides over here, these are all extra features, so I just leave it on that first one by default. So the color piece is really what you can customize here under the free version. And then once you're done, let's change those eyes back to the regular one here. Once you're done, all you need to do is just download the QR code as a PNG, and then it'll start downloading here. And then you can go back into Canva or wherever it is that you're designing your cards, and then embed the QR code like so. And make sure you try it yourself. Scan the QR code with your phone, and make sure you try the QR code out yourself before you go ahead and print your card. So let's just do a test. I'm gonna scan the QR code with my phone, and you'll see here the browser popped up, and it is now taking us to our website. And then all you need to do is export your business card design and upload it to whatever site you're using to print your cards. So if you want me to make this QR code for you, as well as design your business card for you so that it's ready for you to print, and I can just give you the image file to go ahead and upload for printing, then go ahead and email me. I'll have my email address in the description, and I'd be happy to take that off your plate. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.